Hi friends, I'm Dr. Kyra. Today we're going to investigate something amazing your body does, something it does without you even thinking about it. Watch these clips. What is each body doing? Okay, so what was the football player's body doing? And what was the tourist's body doing? Now, did either of them choose to do that? Hold on to that thought for me, keep it in the back of your mind, and watch these next two clips really carefully. I want to know what you see. Okay, what was the cat's eye doing? And how is that like what the football player and the tourist were doing? Your body is always working, sweating, shivering, hydrating, keeping you balanced without you ever asking it to. Scientists have a word for this: homeostasis. That's the word for everything your body does to keep you balanced and alive. And you figured it out, like real scientists. I'll see you next time, friends.